네, ma'am. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
감사합니다.
감사합니다 sa iyong sanan.
Give me two order.
Yeah.
Yes. For my boyfriends. Okay. Bading. Op. Enough. Burger sa akin. 네, ma'am. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
감사합니다.
감사합니다 sa iyong sanan.
Oh, how much this one? 3,000.
3,000.
3,000. Give me two order.
Yeah.
Yes. For my boyfriends. Okay. Ma'am, excuse me. Do you have a soup? Do you have a soup? What is that, ma'am?
This one.
Oh, drink. Oh, I like that.
I like you too.
Uy, bading.
One?
One? Oh,
In Philippines, this is isaw.
tama. Oh. Thank you. 3,000 plus 3,000 equals 2,000. Ooh. That's nice, boy. Oh, this is what we call fish cake. Ooh, it's very hot. Mmm.
Ano tayo yung?
Wait lang. Game. Tayo. Bading. Ma'am, can I use it? Chili. Oh, I want this. I try this. Oh, it look like a burger.
Spicy. This one is...
Oh. Ang sarap, Min. Para mainitin yung bibig natin, kailangan natin na maanghang.
Uy, sarap ng sabaw ah.
Parang sa bola ng buko. Can you lagay this? No, yeah. Ooh, op. Enough? Thank you, ma'am.
It tastes so good.
Uy, meron pala dito ba, no? Tara, meron pala heater dito eh. Ooh. Meron palang heater. Meron palang heater dito, guys. Yan, meron pala eh. Meron pala ay dito ay. Guys, sobrang lamig dito sa Korea. Para makayanan nyo yung lamig, siguro magki-training kayo sa loob ng freezer. Hirap talaga yun.
Alam mo yung freezer na sinasakyan natin dati pag nagde-deliver ng yelo sa except pinapasukan.
Parang ganun siya, no?
Parang ganun, pinapasok tayo doon.
yung truck na truck na
May freezer.
may freezer. Pinapasok namin dati yung Bon eh. Tapos ganito kalamig. Parang hindi nga lang Bon eh, no?
Oo.
Ay Bon, try natin yung Bon, hotdog ba yun? Try natin.
How
Ayan.
much for the hot dog? Yeah.
No.
No, the brown one.
The brown one, yes.
How much?
One only, hati tayo.
Yeah, one only.
Yep.
Do you have water? Yes. Yes. How much? How much for that? 2,000.